When you read first question.
Yes, sir. Let epsilon naught denote the dimensional formula of the permittivity of vacuum. If m is equal to mass, L is equal to length, T is equal to time, and A is equal to electric current, then four options.
Then what is dimension of epsilon naught
Yeah.
in MLT? Now, in which formula you get epsilon naught? In electrostatic force, correct?
Yes, sir.
So dimension of epsilon naught will be equals to dimension of Q1 Q2 upon FR square. Charge is nothing but IT. Charge is IT upon FR square. From this I can say I will get A1, T1, A1, T1 dimension of current and time. Force means M1, L1, T minus 2 and distance is L raised to 2. So it will be A2, T2 upon M1, L3, T minus 2. So this is M minus 1, L minus 3, T plus 4, A plus 2. Can you see the option there?
Option B.
Right, done properly.
So what have you written in the second step?
I just cross multiplied. This epsilon went up, force came down, and
No,
1
sir,
upon
sorry, third step.
third step charge is I into T. Charge is I into T. I is
Yes,
A1, time is T1, I is A1, time is T1. Now followed?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Done, sir.
Second one. Suppose one charge of proton, the charge of proton and electron differ slightly. Aman, be careful. I want to ask you, Arya, Pranjali, Neha, Isha, Karan Goel, everybody has to be attentive because next sum I want to ask you all something. You have to answer. Suppose charge of proton and electron differ slightly. One of them is minus E and other is charge of electron is minus E and that of proton is E plus delta E. The net, if the net of electrostatic force and gravitational force between two hydrogen atoms, gravitational force and electrostatic force between two hydrogen atoms placed at distance apart is zero. So net gravitational force, net electrostatic force between two hydrogen atom is zero. Then delta E is in the order of, delta E is in the order of, given that mass of hydrogen atom is 1.67 into 10 raised to minus 27. What is formula for gravitational force? Result is zero means their magnitude is same. Then only it can be zero. Hello? What is
Yes, sir.
formula
sir.
for gravitational force?
GM upon R square.
G-mm. M means mass of hydrogen. Mass of hydrogen upon R square. Electrostatic force is 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. Charge on this first hydrogen and charge on this second hydrogen.
Sir.
If you see carefully, every atom, यही समझने वाला बात है, has equal number of electron and equal proton or not?
Yes, sir.
That means
Yes.
it's electrically neutral. ऐसा होना चाहिए ना हमेशा.
Yes, sir.
But they're telling in this case, proton is slightly greater by delta E. So because of that difference, this will get charged delta E and this is also delta E or not? यही खाली समझने वाला बात है इसमें. Any doubt? Had it been same, then this is electrically neutral. This is electrically neutral plus a delta E ज्यादा है ना?
Got, sir, got.
Because of which it is positively charged by delta E. This is positively charged by delta E. This everybody followed?
Yes.
So now I get delta E upon distance square, delta E have to calculate. Can I cancel this R square from both sides?
Yes, sir.
Now what is G ka value? 6
0.67 10 raised to minus 10.
minus 11. And mass of hydrogen 1.67. इतना लिखो फिर करता. Copy it. So excess charge in the same atom will make it positive if positive is more, negative if negative is more. You all have done till this?
Is the answer 10 raised to minus 37?
Yes, perfect. See, this is JEE sum. No, in fact, NEET 2017. Have you completed till this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, अभी अगर सबको थोड़ा सा मालूम है, what is meaning of order of magnitude? A value of physical quantity rounded off to the nearest integral power of 10 is called order of magnitude. So we should have value in 10 raised to n and that multiplier should not exceed 5. मतलब ऐसा रहना चाहिए. Before decimal, one digit, then into 10 raised to n. If that digit is 5, then we'll increase by 1 as order. Less than that, then this is our order. I'm taking first square root. It will be root of 6.67. into 1.67 because this is square. Square root is root will 2 will get cancelled. This is 3 into 10 raised to minus 37. I hope you followed.
Yes, sir.
What will be square root of 6.67? Close to 2.5 k jitna na?
Yes, sir.
Into 1.67 upon 3 into 10 raised to minus 37. This is close to 0.8. Obviously, this is less than 5 into 10 raised to minus 37. So order of magnitude equals to 10 raised to minus 37 coulomb. Aditya, just now you joined?
Yes, sir.
No, Aditya here just now you joined, na?
Yes, sir.
Huh? Yes, sir, or no, sir? What do you say?
Yes, sir.
But why so early you are joining?
Sir, I did not know the class was there today.
This is what you are becoming habitual, no? You don't know means what? When we discuss, I have posted on the group 2-3 times. I remind. Don't
Sir,
show
I
this
was
all lethargic approach.
I was not there yesterday, so I did not know.
Last time also I told to some of the students, whenever you are not there, it is your duty to see the group or ask the teacher about any lecture of the next day.
Okay, sir.
See, to get mark beyond expectation requires lot of perfection. With this, you will get average mark because all the lectures also you join bit late. Every day it is happening.
Yes, sir. I will take care, sir.
Take care because your competition with all good students.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I will take care. Yes.
Fine, fine. Thank you. By mistake, somebody's video is on. Please put it off.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody is done. Shall I clear it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. अभी next हम देखो JEE 2013 का क्या tricky है. Two charges each equal to Q are kept at minus A and plus A. That means if this is origin at x equal to plus A and x equal to minus A. So distances are same. There are two charges Q placed. A particle of mass m and charge q naught, which is equals to q by 2, is placed at origin. If charge q naught is given small displacement y, is given very small displacement y, which is very less than a, the net force acting on the particle is proportional to which format of y? So it is given displacement along y-axis. We want to find net force acting on q naught, which is q by 2, proportional to which power of y? What will be the direction of force acting between q and q naught? That means this q and q naught. Will it be repulsive acting outward like this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if I call this as F, it will be acting outward. Similarly, with charge at plus A, what will be the direction of force? Is it repulsive?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
With same magnitude or different magnitude? If different, then I have to call F1, F2. If same, then I can call F.
Same.
Same. Reason Q, Q naught. Q Q naught same. Distances are also same now from these charges. This is A, this is A. So this distance will become root of y square plus a square. In fact, both are same. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
can I call F? Can I?
Yes, sir.
Now this angle I am taking theta only because so that I can connect with y. So if this is theta, can you tell me what will be this angle?
Theta.
Theta vertically opposite. So can I resolve F into two components?
Yes.
This will be F sine and this will be F cos. Anybody who has not followed? First force ka reservation. Yes, everybody has followed.
Followed, sir.
Similarly, if this is theta means this is mirror image. ये भी theta ही है ऊपर. So ये भी theta. Again, I can resolve this F of left hand side in two components. F sine theta and F cos theta. So can you see that net force acting will be F cos plus F cos because sine component is equal opposite will cancel each other. So this will
Yes,
become 2F cos theta. Okay, everybody is clear with this much?
Sir.
Now tell me what is force between two charge? 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught Q into Q naught, which is Q by 2, divided by distance square, which is root of y square plus a square the whole square into cos theta. Any doubt till this? Any doubt till this?
No, sir.
No. This square and root will get cancelled. So it is y square plus a square. Now what is cos theta? Is it adjacent side y upon hypotenuse? Which is y square plus a square ka root. Root I am telling power half. Yes, clear now? Hello?
yes, sir.
That means we get f is q square upon 4 pi epsilon naught into y upon y square plus a square raised to 3 by 2. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, since y is very small than a, so y square can be neglected, we know in our maths. So can I say my y with f will become q square into y upon 4 pi epsilon y square raised to 3 by 2. This 2 will get cancelled. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So f is proportional to y raised to 1 minus 3 minus 2. Any doubt? Well, I made some mistake, I think. Cos theta
You
is
said y square can be
ah,
neglected.
yeah. I made mistake. So y square neglected, a cube, a is constant. F proportional to y is the answer. That is A. So very important sum. Mostly NEET such lengthy they don't ask, but in JEE main they will ask this type.
So in such problems, we have to draw the directions is most important.
Because vector addition comes up. Without
Yeah.
diagram we cannot do. Let's just see. I don't know whether you are aware. In JEE, this year it is 100 marks question. Out of 100, if you get 80, 80, then you will percentile is 99. And if you get 70, then it is 85. So at top level competition is less.
Answer.
Fourth is also like that only. Again, beautiful, some neat guy, but still it is not that easy. Two identical charged spheres suspended from common point by two massless string of length L. Massless string means string का कुछ वजन नहीं है, it won't create any force. So it is like two identical charged spheres suspended from common point by two massless string of length L, initially at distance of small d this is a distance of d initially, length L, this is charge sphere identical. D is very small than L. Because of the repulsive force, they are away like this at distance d. The charge begins to leak from both the sphere at constant rate. Charge begins to leak means reducing or increasing.
Reducing.
So repulsive force will decrease or increase. Yes, repulsive force will increase or decrease then?
Decrease.
Decrease, because charge कम हो गया तो product कम हो जाएगा, it will decrease. If it is decreasing मतलब ये approach किया ना इसको कुछ speed से, ऐसा नजदीक आ गया ना with certain speed.
Yes, sir.
So at that certain instant when speed is v, they are telling it is function of distance x. How? Whether proportional or square root or something. So can I say at instant when velocity is v, at instant when velocity is v, let distance be x. So at this stage, if this angle is theta, this is length of string say A and this is x by 2. I'm interested in relation between v and x, and dq by dt they are telling is reducing at constant rate. This much clear what I wrote? This much clear with you all what I wrote?
Yes, sir.
Now at this instant मुझे v और x का रिलेशन चाहिए, तो मैं चेक करता हूं इसके ऊपर फोर्स क्या क्या एक्ट हो रहा है. एक तो दैट इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स इज एक्टिंग रिपल्सिव आउटवर्ड, इसका वजन mg डाउनवर्ड, साथ में टेंशन T. इतना तक कुछ डाउट डिफिकल्टी? No, no. If this angle is theta, so this is also theta, reason corresponding angle. Please copy this much. I have to connect B with X, and that too it should be in terms of Q. Then only dq by dt जिधर दिखा आप constant बोल सकते हैं.
But theta should be of that side, Fe.
No, theta is no, not that side. Na? How it is that side? This is transversal.
Sorry, sir.
These
So
are two lines
corresponding.
parallel. So this will be corresponding. This side only it will come. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yes.
Now if I look carefully, can I say here tan theta will be opposite side, that is electrostatic force upon adjacent side mg? Can I say like this? Hello? Can I say like this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now if I call this as A, this as P, this as C. In triangle ABC, can you say tan theta is opposite side upon adjacent side? So I can say sine theta is opposite side x by 2 upon L. This much can I write?
Yes, sir.
For small angles, sine theta is same as tan theta. So Fe upon mg is x upon 2L. F means what? Electrostatic force.
Yeah.
So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon को ना k लिख लेता हूँ, थोड़ा शॉर्ट हो जाएगा. So k q upon distance between them x square is electrostatic force. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Into mg is x upon 2L. Therefore, q square equals to x cube into mg upon k into 2L. Any doubt till this? Till this, any doubt?
No, sir.
Please
No,
copy this much, then only two more lines are there. Tomorrow's paper, if you are crossing 140, that means you can put stamp in your book that you will get admission in Mumbai government colleges for medical students. And even those who are trying for engineering, they will get best college. उससे कम तो next और दो तीन टेस्ट रखना पड़ेगा. Completed in this?
Done, sir.
Now, if I take derivative here, I will get dq by dt, but I won't take here because q is not constant. So I'm just keeping q so that its derivative will be dq by dt, which is constant. So taking square root, this will become 3 by 2 and mg upon k2l raised to half. These all are constant. So q is nothing but constant into x raised to 3 by 2. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Now I'm taking derivative of q with respect to time. So dq by dt equals to constant, and this derivative will be 3 by 2 x raised to half. 3 by 2 minus 1 is half into dx by dt. Anybody now? Doubt? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Dq by dt, they are telling it is constant. So 3 by 2 is also constant. Constant and constant will also be constant. So only left out is x raised to half dx by dt, which is constant. Rest all are constant. So I can write like this. Therefore, x raised to half dx by dt means v equals to constant. Follow this also?
Yes, sir.
So that means v is proportional to x raised to minus half. Imagine this sum, if it comes in the exam of NEET, they have to leave this in option. But when practiced, then their rank will increase by at least 100. Increase means reduced by 100. Copy till end.
Done, sir.
Yes, everybody is done.
Yes, sir.
Next sum. Niva, wait after lecture for 2 minutes. 2 points, 2-point charges A and B having charge plus q minus q respectively are placed at certain distance apart and force between them is F. So charge minus q plus q are placed at certain distance apart, force between them is F. If 25% charge of A, so q1 dash, it was minus q, उसमें का 25% is transferred to B, so this will lose 25%. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so 25% of q का charge goes to A, and this will get that charge, so it will be q plus 25%. This much okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say q1 dash will become, this is 1 by 4. 1 by 4 minus 1, that is how much? Minus 4 minus 1. Minus 5 by 4q. And this is 1 by 4. Will be how much?
5 by 4.
Plus 5 by 4. Okay. How much it is given? 25% over here, transferred to B. So one is minus. It has lost the charge of this much. Other is plus. It is getting the charge of this. Placed at same distance. We want what will be the new force on this. A is plus Q. Sorry, A is plus Q. A is plus Q, and this is minus Q. So this will become 4 minus 1, 3 by 4 Q. This is minus Q plus 1 by 4 minus 3 by 4. Okay. Find what is F2, distance is same. So we know force is product of charge. So can I say Q1 Q2 upon Q1 dash Q2 dash R is same. F upon F2 is Q into Q, and this is 3/4 by Q into 3/4 Q. Q cancel. So we get F upon F2 is 4 4 the 16 will go up upon 9. Therefore, F2 will become 9 by 16 times F. Clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do then. One more last sum we'll do, then we'll stop today.
Done, sir.
Three charges plus q, small q plus q are placed at distance of three charges. Are one is plus q, small q plus q are situated at distance of 0, d by 2 and d from origin. That means this distance is d by 2. This is also d by 2. Start to end distance is d, is the mean. The net force experienced by capital Q at x equal to 0 is 0. Then what is value of small q? Net force here is 0. So if I call this 1, this as 2, this as 3. So force acting on first due to second plus force acting on first due to third is 0. This is the meaning net force is 0.
F1 is equal to minus F.
Pardon?
Oh, it will go that side and get minus.
No, that we'll see. But have you followed this much?
Yes, sir.
So F12 should be minus of F13. Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So 1 upon 4 pi epsilon. First charge is q. Second charge is small q. Distance is d by 2 square. Minus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught. First charge is q. Third charge is also q. And distance is d. So d square. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon cancel. 1 q cancel. So q upon d square by 4 is minus q upon d square. So 4 times q upon d square is minus q upon d square. Therefore q is minus q by 4. So minus q by 4 option D. देखो JEE 2019 का समय लेटेस्ट.
Done, sir.
Yeah. So that's all for today. Please prepare well. I think we'll be able to do all the sums in the next tomorrow's test. Monday there is no class because